I almost subscribed to Arcads AI after watching one demo. The ads made it look ridiculously simple. Paste your product link, generate a realistic UGC ad, launch your campaign. No actors, no camera, no editing. If you're a business owner or marketer, that sounds like a dream. So I wanted to know one thing. Is Arcads AI actually worth paying for? Or is it just another AI tool with great marketing? The first thing I tested was a simple product page. Within a few minutes, Arcads AI created a complete ad with an AI avatar, voice, script, and product visuals. Honestly, my first reaction was, this is much faster than filming from scratch. That's the biggest advantage, speed. If you're testing 5 different products, creating 5 ads manually can take days. With Arcads AI, it's much faster. But then I noticed something important. The ads looked good until I started comparing them with high-performing real UGC ads. That's when the difference became obvious. Real creators naturally add emotion, personality, and little imperfections. AI avatars still feel more controlled, sometimes even a little too polished. And that's something most reviews don't mention. Here's the mistake I think people make before buying. They expect Arcads AI to replace human creators completely. I don't think that's its job. I think it's built for testing. Testing hooks, testing offers, testing different ad angles quickly before spending money on full production. That's where it becomes valuable for agencies running dozens of campaigns, Shopify sellers launching products, freelancers managing client ads, or startup founders with limited budgets. That speed can save both time and money. So, would I buy Arcads AI? If my business depended on creating lots of ad variations every week, probably yes. But I wouldn't rely on it as my only creative tool. I'd use it to test ideas fast, find winning concepts, and then invest in better production for the ads that actually perform. And honestly, that's what nobody tells you before buying. Arcads AI isn't replacing creative marketers. It's giving them a faster way to experiment. And in digital marketing, the brands that test the fastest usually find the winners first. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.